И здравейте хора, аз съм Джоански. Днес ще реагираме на видеото Megaboxes Are Back. И нека да започваме видеоклип. Добре, още в началото ни казва, че мегабоксовете са за... ще има два нови. Чакай, какво? Ще има нов евент? Ще има два нови мода, доколкото се вижда. Това не е ли мегабокс от преди няколко години? Добре, тай машина, добре, в машината на времето. Декември 2020. И сега ще го нокаутират, много ясно. Той се опитва да убие мегабокса. Окей. Я верно ще ги връща. And who better to explain Classic Brawl than Classic Ryan and Frank? That's right. Hello. We have new Classic skins and the return. Я ще върнат Classic skins. Select enough megaboxes and you'll be able to get the newest hypercharged skin. Я какъвто готин скин. Аз имам другия голден скин на Рико и тък взех да си го връщам на 20. Да го пускам на 20 ранг в миналото време, миналото видео, но не успях и го вдигнах на 15. Искам този скин, кога ще го пусна? Стига, това са най-готините скинове на Рико. Това са Hypercharge скинове явно. Какво? Трябва да изпълняваме квестове, за да вземем мегабоксовете, стига бе.
Collect them from special quests that will be popping up weekly. And from a challenge that will happen during the duration of the event. Just like before, you can open your Megabox right away.
Аз си мислех, че ще трябва да си ги отваряме така безплатно, нормално.
Never opened a Megabox before? Why are they so special? Well, Megaboxes are special because you can get multiple items from them at once.
И отново ще ви се падат. Това беше най-грозният скин, който видях някога.
You can also get the event and its chromas. Sovereign Rico, Sovereign Bling Rico, and Sovereign Gem Rico.
There are two
new classic style game modes available during the event. Mirror Match and Drum Roll. In Mirror Match, all players will play as the same brawler. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. And it'll rotate among the original 20 brawlers. You'll have new mirror matches all the time. Drum Roll is a unique game mode where each brawler you defeat changes you into another one. There's a set amount of brawlers to progress through, and when you get to the final one and defeat another player, you win. Yeah! Both of these game modes have the classic modifier, which means brawlers are capped at level 9,
има доста хубави подобри. Добре, що Спайка не се бие във видеоклипът им.
That's not all. We have a bunch of cool classic inspired skins coming, including a new skin.
Какво? Чакай, искам да ги погледна тия скинове. Stellar Shelly? Какво? Бумър Дайнамайт. Добре. Това доста приличат на оригиналните скинове. Даже това са оригиналните скинове, но под различна форма просто. Малко подразлична. Викинг Бул. Това се предполагаше, че ще го имат много хора. Това е най-грозният скин, даже те си го признаха. Юли. На края на другия месец някъде. Как се облякал той? Стига бе. Тия скинове са много готини. Брутални.
He's bulldozed the labyrinth. RT Poseidon, ruler of the waves.
Dionysus Angelo, the party animal.
Harpy Melody. This time her songs will affect you in a different way. And she's the ranked skin of the season.
Athena Piper grants you a trick shot wisdom. The Gods vs. Monsters season kicks off on July 4th.
Who doesn't love unicorns?
Very easy. Tough.
Някакво еднородче.
Hired by Mandy to work at the candy shop in a unicorn costume.
He has to endure Chester's pranks.
Това е нещо между Карл и Барли. Карл и Барли. Супера на Карл и това на Барли. Добре изглежда. Мапа, като го погледна, се сещам някакси за торта.
During his super, he dashes forward using his tail like a tasty tornado, splashing ice cream all around him. Ice cream.
And Berry also has an interesting trait.
Berry.
He can actually charge his super
Добре,
by
не
healing
е
teammates.
лошо.
Don't you just love ice cream? I mean, Berry.
Berry is the first brawler of the update, and it's arriving with the Dark Horse Berry skin.
Dark Horse Berry Skin.
Teaming up
Добре
is
скин.
awesome.
As long as you're not
Първото ме кефи
So
повече.
we
Това
are
е
making some
лавата.
improvements to social features. We're making it easier than ever to team up with your IRL friends with new group QR code.
Уу,
It's
това е
also going to
готино.
be easier to continue playing with players.
Importantly, you will get double XP when you play in a team. If you're not in a team, join a team.
Добре, ще има доста хубави... О, хайп. Нови хайперчарджове, това е перфектно.
Barley throws 3 big brews that
На Барли не му трябва хайперчардж.
Frank's super now affects the entire
Добре,
area around him.
Франк ще стане най-OG броуър с това хайперчардж. Не най-OG, а най-добрия.
finally has a hypercharge. She drops even more bombs when she uses her super.
Добре, пуска повече бомби и се изстрелва по-бързо и стрелите стават по-бързи. What? Това е готино.
Rico's super projectiles now bounce even further.
Рико
Gale's super is wider and fires
хайпер.
twice. Talk about a cold snap.
Добре, и тия броуъри заслужават хайперчардж, защото не им правят почти никакви подобрения.
The Paint Brawl season brings a new brawler and a new
Paint
game
Brawl.
mode alongside new
Какво
skins.
ще рече
The
това?
Brawl Pass skin for Pink Brawl is Jellyfish Sandy.
Jellyfish
joined by the Neo
Sandy
and glowing
при това.
chroma skins in
Това е
the Brawl Pass
готино.
Plus.
A new
Up to 3 times during a match by
това ли
hitting
ще е
brawlers
другия
with
нов
his dual
броуър?
paintball guns.
This is similar to how Surge works, but with a twist. Clancy also upgrades his super at each stage.
At his default stage 1, Clancy will fire a single shot with his basic attack and fire a torrent of bullets with his super.
At stage 2, he fires 2 shots in quick succession, and his super will cover a much larger area.
At stage 3, Clancy shoots Sidewinder paintballs from his tail, adding some diagonal attack pattern. He also moves faster when using his super. Look at him go!
Clancy launches alongside his high stakes skin in the Paint Brawl season.
Добре, и ще има пейнтбол. Айди, този тъкна се
Is a new
бързо
game
и
mode
пак
coming with the surprisingly named Paint Brawl Season.
In this mode, players battle it out to cover the map of paint. The team with the most percentage of the map covered wins.
Defeating enemy brawlers will cause them to explode in a hail of paint.
Когато биеш някой, той пръска пейнтбол в твоя цвят.
Paint Brawl skins, go!
Tentacle Bonnie. I'm hoping she hasn't been possessed
Това
by
пейнтбол скин ще бъде готин. Дали когато стрелят тези скинове ще пускат пейнтбол?
And this is the ranked skin.
Май, че не.
Just look at that cute face. We ain't done yet. We have 3 reworks to be released.
Frank is getting a much needed change to his skill set. The lore result is
Я, Франк ще удра по-бързо ли? Това е готино. Защото това е единственото нещо, което не ми харесва на Франк. Удря много бавно.
But we'll have a shorter range.
Ударите са му прекалено бавни.
Chester is getting his current first star power as part of his base attack, so he'll always have 4 attack stages. And his new star power will make his first stage attack strong.
О, чакайте, вижте какво забелязах.
He's getting his current first star
Сега
power
вижте.
as part of his base attack. So he'll always have 4 attack stages. And
чакай,
his
да,
new
тя
star
си
power
има
will make his first stage attack stronger.
The Summer of Pirates is back with Sea Dog Ruffs being a good boy out there on the
Ruffs,
7th sea.
no.
Buccaneer Barley is a perfect farmer.
Това мап
And Man of War Doug, the most chill cat.
нов ли ще бъде или го има? О, новия скин на Док ще е готин. Мистер Пиш има доста готин скин, но
Bubble Trouble Ember, skating through the arena and burning
ел това по-готин скин вече не съм виждал.
Hank's title changed to Prawn Ready, because yes, you can now see in which year your account was created.
И аз ще може да пиша от коя година ли играеш. Е, това е перфектно.
You can now get
О,
your unique
чакай,
Supercell
какво?
Hank's title changed to
Какво
Prawn Ready, because yes, you can now see in which year your account was created.
The bling cap has been removed.
Brock's base model has a new
Това ли ще е новия модел на Брок? Ужасен е, хора. Питате ли мен, това е най-ужасният скин. Това ще е най-грозното нещо. Този, който си е в момента, си е най-готиния.
Fresh
Това
look.
ще
You
бъде
can now get
ужасно.
your unique Supercell ID handle. And now you can
Oh,
see
yeah.
your current rank position in the Masters leaderboard in your profile.
Чакай, какво? Не.
giveaway on social media for a chance to get your hands on the
Добре, и този скин е доста готин. И аз сканирах кода и получаваш този скин на гадски кеф.
a thing. Everything seems to be pretty normal.
Perfect. Good job, guys.
Hey guys, what's up?
Какво? И добре, това беше краят на видеото. Трябва да приключваме, така че бай от мен.